Facebook? Well, here it is, okay? So here is a Facebook campaign we ran during this time that largely resulted in the income that you see. So the first thing is, can you guys tell me what is the amount I spent on the first day of advertising? Can you guys see that number? Can you guys see it? Let me know if you guys can see it. $4. 4 big ones. Amount spent was $4 to get started. And then you can see that we increased the amount spent, right? Every day we pretty much increased it. And then look at how much we ended up spending in a day. Right here. How much does this say? Can you guys see this? Let me know in the chat. How much does this say? $4,323 spent. So this is how much we're spending in a day. And you know why we're spending that much? Because it's profitable, right? Because it's profitable. So we started with $4. We scaled up because we had a profitable campaign going. We started slow, $4. Even me, I'm starting at $4 and I'm going really slow. And then once I make sure I have enough data around here, I started scaling. And spending $4,000 a day sounds scary, but it doesn't sound scary when you're making, when $8,000 is coming out of that, okay, which is what we were seeing with this particular campaign. So when your account says $8,000, you're not so scared of spending $4,000 each day, right? And how did we do this? Let me show you actually. So this is the Facebook, this is inside a Facebook ad account. So you can see the ads we were running. So it was the same ad to the US, to Great Britain and Australia for people over the age of 24. Okay, that's what we did for every ad. But then we did it based on their interests. What were they interested in? Are they interested in fitness? Are they interested in Shark Tank? Are they interested in motivation? Are they interested in Entrepreneur Magazine? Are they interested in digital marketing? And so this is how I recommend you guys scale, is when you're advertising on Facebook, you advertise to different interests. And the interests that don't do well, you get rid of, and the interests that do well, you grow. Okay? And this is how a lot of people are making money. Here's some just stories that I love. So Ron quit his job in 50-hour work weeks to sell his digital cookbook with ClickBank. He's generated over $1 million from his cookbooks now. And Nick's income shot from 50K to over 300K because of his digital cookbook on fat-burning foods. Michael rebounded from the brink of bankruptcy to build a 6-figure ClickBank empire. And Melanie travels around the world with her husband. She has no boss to report to or job tying her down. So I wanted to talk about one last model. Okay, this is version 3. And this model is used by the top clients to generate millions and has been used by us to generate millions as well. So this last model is optional. Model 2 is great, okay? Model 2 is great. You guys can totally do Model 2. Maybe Model 2 is how you should start, but I just want to mention version 3, okay? Because eventually you're going to want to go to version 3. That's the longer term goal. And the version 3 has 2 phases, okay? Your traffic goes to an opt-in page, and then you have a follow-up sequence. And then you can promote your offer or someone else's offer. So your offer is the difference here compared to V2, okay? So traffic to an opt-in page, we're selling via email in the follow-up sequence, then to your offer, your own product, because you're going to keep 100% of the profits. And guess what's going to happen also? You're going to land on the affiliate marketplace on ClickBank, and then you're going to start getting affiliate traffic to drive traffic to your offer. And you're going to be able to make another share of profits. So it kind of looks like this, all right? Traffic to an opt-in page, to an automated buying sequence, a follow-up sequence of emails. And then once you're making sales, okay, so this is all V2 right here, and you're promoting someone else's product. But once you make sales, you want to replace that with your own product, okay? And you can get your own product made on Elance, not Elance anymore, Upwork, other outsourcing companies, and we show you how to do that. And you can put it on the marketplace, on ClickBank Marketplace. And guess what? Instead of being the affiliate that's looking for products, other affiliates are looking for